This is the Medify Air MA112. This is going to come with the capacity for 2,500 square foot every 30 minutes. Every 30 minutes, people. This is huge. The CADR score of the Medify Air is 950. 950 is usually triple the CADR score of a lot of large room air purifiers. And it has a dual HEPA H13 filtration system, which removes 99.9% of particles, including odors, smoke, pet dander, dust, and up to a 0.1 micron size. That's something that Medify... Large basement. If you have a super big house, you have tall ceilings. Tall ceilings is like doubling the square footage for an air purifier. So if I have a 100 square foot room with a 10-foot ceiling, a 20-foot ceiling room that's 100 square feet is going to need double the size of air purifier. So you want to keep that in mind when you're making your selection. But this is super powerful. We're going to be unboxing a tether. This is the big box edition. Let's check it out. There it is. There is the top of the Medify, and let's pull it out. Comes with, here you have your instructions and your user manual, along with, register your unit, because they give you a lifetime warranty. So what Medify is offering you is a lifetime warranty as long as you replace their filters based using genuine Medify filters, as well as replacing them on a schedule. So they'll guarantee their unit for life. So 5 years, 10 years, for life, for the lifespan of the unit. This is what the Medify looks like. Here we go. So you just pop it out, and here is where your filter is located. And this is that Medify filter. It's extremely thick. You can see how thick it is. You can hear, I'm shaking it. You guys can hear the carbon pellets that are going to be capturing the odors. And this is our filter in. We're going to place our cover on. This is something so good. There's wheels on it. There's wheels. You guys see that? And I was like, how is this moving so easily around my table? There's wheels on this for ultra portability. Let me show you. So it has wheels, but you notice how they don't jut out because they put them in a groove. They put them inside a groove here so they don't jut out. And we're going to now talk about the specs. On the controls, you have your on-off, you have your speed, 4 fan speeds, child lock, 8-hour timer, sleep mode, and you have an ionizer. If you want to turn it on, all you got to do is press, and now it's going to be activated. And there is air coming out of this. If I want to go faster, just press. You have a child lock, you can set your timer. You can also put it on sleep mode. And on sleep mode, you just have one indicator light that's going to appear. You take it off sleep mode, and you have ionizer mode on if you so choose. So that is your menu. Let's talk about the specs here. Let's really talk about the specs. This is going to weigh about 33.5 pounds, and the dimensions are going to be 23.3 inches tall, 15.7 inches wide, and 15.4 inches deep. Now, having the wheels is a huge benefactor because at this size, I want to switch it between rooms, because if the kitchen's smelly, I can go to take it to the kitchen, and then if the living room had people coming over and maybe I've burned some candles that I don't like the smell of it, maybe we had tacos for dinner, I don't know. This is going to be able to remove the odor extremely quickly. And that's the benefit of getting something this size. It just removes it because everything is oversized. And when you're talking about odor removal and air, the more air it could process repeatedly, because it's going to continuously repeat and repeat until it removes the odor, the faster it's going to work. So power is the name of the game here. The Medify is delivering that. And for the value you're getting, I do understand where the marketplace is for this. It is for people who have large living rooms, large basements with tall ceilings, large bedrooms with tall ceilings. That's really where I see this being the most effective. Because like I go into my friend's house, he has a living room that may be like 30 by 20, but he has a 20-foot ceiling. So does he want to put like 3 air purifiers in there? No. He would rather put something like this, because then he's ensured that that living room air is going to be clean, even in a room with tall ceilings.